y'all back again with another pro tip, and this is how to drink cheap on the golf course. So basically what you do, get you a bag that has insulation. This particular bag is a ping bag. There's a lot of bags out there. Put your beer in the side, man. Get you the cheap beer. I recommend Busch Light or Natty Light, and get these ice packs. And you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order ice packs. But basically the concept is just put those in there, maybe one or two. Keep your beers good and frosty cold, and then get you a little insulation thing like this. I mean, these are, you know, I cringed when I got the Yeti because it was kind of expensive, but man, this thing keeps stuff cold. So I got my beer cold in my bag, I got my beer cold in my hand, and as far as the golf game, this enhances my golf game more than any club ever will. So, you know, that's how to drink cheap on a golf course. Hope this video provided value. And if it did, like this video, man. Subscribe to my channel, ring that bell icon. Be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and I hope you hit them great, man. This was golf. That's what golf's all about, man. Just improving the game. And you know, this is a great way to improve, well, I don't know, just how to drink cheap on a golf course. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.